The rules of the game have changed. We talk about the digitalisation of industry and society, how the focus has shifted from mechanics and products to software and services. This trend is far from recent. You can probably identify numerous companies that have already made such a digitalisation journey, not to mention all the companies that are standing at the doorstep of their journey, just like you are. You see a larger and larger part of the development budget going into software. In fact, almost all innovations seem to demand software. As a vice president of a major hardware company once put it, our organisation has become a software company. The problem is that the organisation hasn't realised that yet. So there you are on the doorstep of your digitalisation journey. You have an idea where you want to go, but you don't really know how to get there. What if we told you we run a sort of travel agency, but for digitalisation journeys? We have collected experiences from organisations that have already made the journey. This makes us a bit different from traditional travel agents. We use a holistic method to analyse and plot your journey. In plain speech, that means you can't just examine your product. You also have to look closely into your organisation, how you make decisions and get things done. Yes, we thought it would sound interesting. We call it the Scaling Management Framework. Please come in. Let us explain how we can help you plan and embark on your journey. This is a map of our world. We call it the canvas. It's empty now because we don't know where we are and where we want to go. That's what the Scaling Management Framework is made for, to guide your selection of alternative routes to your destination. The transition to software is a complex journey. For this reason, the framework covers 3 domains. First, there is our product, the assets we want to transform. Second, there is our organisation, how we are divided into teams and what our roles are. Third, there are our processes, how we actually get our work done. We have to see our journey from all 3 viewpoints, since a change in one domain usually impacts another. The question is, why do you want to change the company? You have to define your reasons, the drivers of your transformation journey. The drivers will be your compass. The Scaling Management Framework defines 5 basic groups of common drivers. You will probably find your drivers in one or several groups. Yes, in fact, you can be guided in several directions. This isn't an ordinary compass, but then again, your journey isn't ordinary either. This is why this framework makes a difference, because it doesn't have to be that complicated. Others have made the journey before you, and there's a lot to learn from their experiences, even their mistakes. The Scaling Management Framework outlines a few dream journeys based on a large number of travel stories. To find a journey that matches your drivers, read the compass. There is no right or best journey. In fact, it's possible that no single one will match your needs perfectly. But since every journey is presented with a set of travel stories, you get a good basis on which to tailor your own journey. Are we making it sound as easy as pie? Of course it isn't. To facilitate decision making, we've made a book that presents the Scaling Management Framework in a format tailored for senior management. And when you're ready to get down to business, there are also masterclasses and consultancy services. Take a look at our website for more details. Have a good trip.